Welcome, Kabir.
What's up? What's up, guys? Welcome to Kinjan Kabir, another episode of Kinjan Kabir. Today, we don't know what we're gonna talk about. Like in every other episode, we
Like in
just talk about
every.
stuff, we rant about life, which is really beautiful. Um, I'm done. But today, I want to talk about how Vishesh told me yesterday that he doesn't trust me, and then he ended up trusting me.
Oh, I still don't
It was
trust
a
you.
very long convo.
I still don't trust you. And the noise is still coming. Like, Kabir, please.
Now it's not,
Okay,
dude. Dude.
so I will get like bit of the content. Took us 1 hour to figure out everything. How to record this mother thing. How to record everything. Man, this is tough, but this works. This works. 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 So, Kabir, what do you want
Yeah.
to talk about?
Sex. I want to talk about sex. I think sex is an under talked about topic, and if children are seeing this, kids or teenagers are seeing this, I think it's a very important topic to talk about.
Nobody is actually
Like
seeing
we
this.
are
No one,
taught
literally no one is
in
seeing
our
this.
textbooks, like in our textbooks, we are taught that the male, that thing, the male organ gets in touch with the female. Or how the fuck does that happen? How can you do the whole process? What are different positions? What are positions you should avoid that might break your back? Like there are tons of things, in sex. So the point is that we have learned sex more from Johnny Sins than from our textbooks. He's given us more sexual education. That's the problem in this world. And that should change. Our textbooks should teach us. How is it done? What are the processes?
There's a book
I'm
called
not,
Kama Sutra.
what I mean by that is there should be sexual education about how to do sex. And I'm not being sarcastic. I mean, this is a serious issue. I think sex is just treated as a topic that is, we should not talk about it. Why shouldn't we? It's a natural process. It's something that men and women do. I think kids should know about it. If male, female, and other genders exist, then these things should be talked about. We should have talks about gay sex or lesbian sex. I mean, it's something to explore. Like if sex was treated like, let's say, just as much as natural as the process of hair growing is, right? I mean, it's as natural as that. The feelings for sex are as natural as the feelings for being ambitious or the feelings for achieving something in life, right? The feelings for sex are as natural as feelings of sadness or feelings of happiness. We all have them, and we only say that we should talk about feelings. All of us say that, right? Then why not sexual feelings? Why shouldn't we discuss these things? If they're talked about in the right manner, if we are taught how to tackle them in the right manner, then they might lead us to something good. So, what do you say, Vishesh? What are your thoughts on this?
I want to create a school.
Yeah?
I want to create a school. So a school, it's like the vision of mine. Like, okay, till 21, make a crap ton of money. 21 to 25, blow it all out. And like from 25, like start working hard and before 30, became a billionaire. And after 30, like create a school, create a hospital, and create a city. In that school, I'm going to create everything. Like I see the problem with the our education system. It's not like our education is like broken. It's like it's just outdated. It's like okay, it used to work past then. Like it was efficient back then. It's not efficient now. It's like okay, the sex before like people never talked about because there's nothing like condoms. There was nothing like pornography. There was nothing back then. That's why they
It
never
was, it
taught.
was, no, no, that's the thing, right? That's the thing, it was. There were porn magazines, there were,
I'm talking
fuck,
about 200 years ago, like 200 years in India.
acha, okay. India had like, do you know India has cultures which are very sexual?
Yeah, Kama
Like
Sutra
people
and
only
like Odisha
seeing each
side.
other. Yeah, no, it was actually the culture, like there are some shit in India, This is a very controversial statement, but it's true if you ask people who actually know about religion. okay, the true meaning of religion, the Indian religion, and have studied it in a very deep sense. Okay, so this was information verified by scholars and information verified by uh, what you call religiously very religious people I know. um Shivling is actually a dick and a vagina.
What?
Shivling is actually a dick and a vagina.
What's shivling?
Shivling, it's a dick and a vagina. Because
One
for
thing I
the,
want to tell you in the system, like 50 years ago, 50 to 100 years ago, there was tradition in Odisha. It might sound bad to you, but like that's the truth. I have been heard, like hearing like I can't back them 100%, but I can say like okay, I've talked to a lot of people that told me this actually. But what happened in Odisha is there used to be a tax for women to cover their breast,
to what?
to cover their breast.
Oh fuck.
And the thing is,
But the
woman,
question is, who paid the tax? Their husbands.
no. The richer family paid the tax. The bottom ones did not. So they don't can't
Do you
like
have do you
cover that,
do you have,
cover those things. So they don't.
do you have facts? Do you have facts sustaining this? Like, do you have
Yeah,
facts on this?
Google tax on breast breast covering in India. You will see what I am talking about.
Interesting. So, see, but that's not the point, right? We're swaying away from it. Your point is right, actually. So my point was that um no, you go ahead. I actually interrupted you on 100
So
years ago,
basically,
200 years ago.
basically that tax on a top part. So basically,
No,
you can't cover that. Listen, so you can't cover that, and if you want to go like in public, you have to go in public like that, and like that was like a very like bad part of India. You can get Google tax on breast.
I am Googling it right now.
Yeah.
Tax
It was
on,
done in Odisha, I believe. Like, not sure.
it's actually not India.
Yeah, I found it.
Oh,
It's
it's in
called.
Kerala. It's in Kerala.
Okay, Kerala.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mulakaram.
And see, they'll never show you this picture of India. They'll always show you that India was like a fucking, पापा की परी जिसको capture कर लिया Britishers ने. They'll never show you this bad shit that happened in India. Who banned the tax? Let's just see who banned the tax. Oh, what the fuck? They don't can't read the whole fucking thing. Just search for Wikipedia.
It's okay. It's not 1924, so 100 years ago.
And they never teach you this part. They never teach you this part in the history, the bad parts of this shit. And that's the problem. I think
Like
the
it's like,
CBSE judge.
see, the thing is, this was not like about like the religion. Like no religion states that, but it was like the tradition. It's like Modi culture.
Yeah,
Like let's
get that, bro.
see, let's assume
That's not
Modi
what I'm saying, bro.
see.
Bro, look,
Let's say Modi comes and say, okay, bro, I will start a tradition where you have to where you have to pay certain tax on when you when you drink water. The more water you like consume, the more tax you pay. And there's a like, so that is not a religion, but that is like the government, how the government wants. So that's what
yeah,
happened in
that,
Kerala.
no, but that's what I'm saying, right? But that should be a part of like the women's struggle, the women's caste struggle, right? And chal, apart from that, this tax was removed after they got pressurized, or it was they were the governor told them to remove it. So the Britishers had a hand in removing it. So what I'm saying is that like the Britishers did a lot of good things in India. Like it wasn't all bad. For all I know is the revolts or the reforms we had in India came up after the revolts also got aggravated after people read the British literature in schools, and then they understood that so kind of we owe our independence also to the British, because when they introduced the education system, reformers took that education, because of which this whole new middle class arose, which was intellects, and they led to these reforms, right? So um, yeah, I mean, the sati system wouldn't have been removed, or the caste system wouldn't
Well, the
have been,
caste still
like,
yeah, like go against.
yeah, the
But
caste reservations wouldn't have been introduced if Britishers weren't there. They were actually introduced during their reign. So I'm not saying caste reservations are right. I'm just saying that they are right to some extent, but it should be more on the class basis rather than the caste basis, according to me. Now, looking at the scenario, it should be class instead of caste. Class being that it should be based on poverty line rather than the caste you come from.
yeah, that's
So if
the
people,
thing I want to
people are
publish.
below,
Like the
yeah, if people are
reservation.
below poverty line,
Yeah, if you are below
yeah,
if you are below the poverty line, you will get like more seats in the college rather than you.
yeah. So that's reservation. Then it should be reservation. Okay, like the reserved 30% seats or whatever. You can reserve like 30% seats for the people who do not have
But
uh
that's that one more factor that plays in, that the lower caste tend to have less money because they have less opportunities.
no,
Look,
they don't.
see,
They don't.
if you go
See,
like
that's the
my
thing, right? They don't.
no,
They don't.
Let me tell you what I am speaking. Once one year ago, my sister went to a what do you call it, a place where only where technically people call it lower caste place. Like they are a lot normal people, but what happened there is there is no shops there. There's no money there. Like there's no like someone they get food after like everyone else get food. Like they don't get electricity, and they
Question. Is it their caste? Is it their class? What are we talking about here? Are they all from the same?
same
Like
caste.
there could be Brahmins included in there.
No.
There could
See,
be Brahmin
all same caste.
minority of these situations. They are not in
Like
majority.
yeah, that yeah, maybe yeah,
Dude, very okay. First of all, let me state this: why these situations won't survive long. First of all, information influx. Okay, is one reason why they won't survive long. Second of all, is the influx of
well
educated people coming up because
see
of information influx. Listen, look at the consequences of information influx. Led to more educated people. More educated people. See, our
yeah,
generation
you see
is
that point is right.
is like more more okay, and also opportunities. Don't talk about them. Why? Because if you have the internet, you have equal opportunity. That's what my belief is.
That's right, but they don't have the internet.
Well, then hear me out. Internet is 600 rupees for 3 months.
They don't have 600 rupees. They don't have jobs. because no one hires them.
Hear me out. If you go to another city, okay, and you how do they survive if they don't have jobs? What do they eat?
They like the whole city gets food, and if there's remain food, they get like that's the problem they face.
Where is this? Where is this?
Like 5 hours away. Like not 2 hours away from home.
I mean, there are not a lot of places like this, first of all, in India. Second of all, if they don't have internet, listen, if
Like
they don't have internet,
the thing is, actually, I can't say if
bro,
there's more
मैं
and
क्या कह रहा
less
हूँ,
because
bro, मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? So let's say they are Goojers, or not. Let me just not take that. Let me take that back. Let's say they are OBCs,
okay.
okay, and but there are OBCs who are fucking rich.
See, let me tell you one thing. You are
So
right. But
so
you
so
live in
let
Delhi. You live in Delhi, and you have Delhi places. But I live in like far rural side, and
Bro, मैं agree कर रहा हूँ.
but
Listen, him, right? So I know OBCs who are very rich. I know OBCs who are not very rich. Okay, I know both of them.
yeah,
Hear me out. Now the rich ones can afford a college. Okay, the poor ones cannot afford a college.
yeah,
Agreed. But they both are getting a quota.
yeah. I see.
So
Again, the
so what I'm
point
saying
of view.
is, so a single caste could have people who have different classes. Do you agree with that?
Let me complete. Like the problem with that is people like in the law caste doesn't know how to pay tax. Doesn't know how to tell government their income, how much they earn.
Dude, but that's not what I'm talking about, right? What I'm talking about here is that there are two sets of people. There is one caste which is OBC. Okay, in that caste there are some people who are earning a lot. There are some people who are not earning a lot. Okay. On the other hand, there is general, in which also there are people who are earning a lot and who are not earning a lot. Okay. People who are earning a lot, can they afford a college?
Maybe.
They are earning a lot, dude. They can get into a
Yeah.
private college,
Uh,
right?
uh,
There are
yeah.
right. People who are not earning a lot on both places, can they get a college?
No.
No. So these people who are in OBC get a college because of their quota. Okay. These people don't.
Well,
Do you see the problem?
see, the thing is, it's very easy to judge a man caste. Just look at
I'm
it.
not judging, bro. These
No,
are
no, no,
these are real life examples
no.
I'm giving you.
Let me tell you. It's very easy to recognize which caste you are on technically, but it's very hard to know your income. Where do you come? Above poverty line or below poverty line? Because there's a lot of maths that take place, and for every
There is a lot of empirical data on it, right? And then they could have particular institutional norms behind it. There could be a ton of stuff that can be put in place.
well,
Institutional
tell me,
structures can be put in
bro.
place.
As simple
See,
like
in that sense, no caste should get no one should get reservations in that sense.
yeah, see
No one
the
should,
one thing more
because
like
then
people.
you're literally saying that like people of this caste are disadvantaged while not all the people in
See,
that
tell me
caste are
one thing.
disadvantaged.
Tell me one thing. Let's assume I have a girl. My and everything I earn is from my sister's side. I just came and said that technically, I report. Okay, I have earned 0 rupees. I will come below poverty line.
Will the government recheck it? Do the government has options to see?
Uh,
That's what I'm saying, right? That's one thing we need to
Government
consider.
can recheck,
And
but I will
also,
still be fine
also,
because
also,
everything
also,
is from my
there is like,
sisters.
so that's why I think blockchain should be introduced.
Yeah.
It 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 has it records every transaction. The government would exactly know how much the fuck you're worth, right?
No, no,
And they
no.
can institutionally divide all the
That's
people.
not how blockchain works actually. Like
It would.
no. If you mean blockchain, creating a new blockchain just to make for this to tackle this problem, yeah, it will. But actually, it will not be able to solve it because I can use other blockchains to bypass that blockchain.
Yeah, yeah. I agree with that. No, I agree that you can store your money, and then there are some other uh, currencies which
See,
actually
in short,
don't
in short, see, listen, it's very hard to
see
judge
what I'm
a
saying.
man
If
income.
we had a system, okay, what think of this, okay? If we had a system
Okay,
which
how
let
let's forget everything. Tell me one thing. How do you judge a man's income?
how do you judge her?
Man's income. Okay, does the person come above poverty line or below poverty line? How you would judge that?
How would I judge that, dude? It's dependent on the income they have.
Okay, it's dependent on how do you judge their income? How do you get the info?
You know what I would focus on these the five basic needs. Like, do they have a two-time meal? Do they have a shelter? Do they have all of that? So,
So basically,
which would be very
tell me one thing that if you judge on their five needs, everything, every person who is in rural area will get so much reservation, where in urban they will not. And currently,
urban don't need it.
uh,
Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on.
the thing is,
Urban, dude, if they can afford it, then they don't need it. That's what I'm saying. If people can afford colleges, they don't deserve reservation.
man,
They don't deserve it.
man,
Okay,
every
then,
single thing.
how is tell me
See, the
tell
thing
me
is,
this how
I will
is
tell you one
okay
thing.
then tell me
So
how
let's
is
see one thing.
reservations based on caste system solving the problem?
It's not solving the problem. I'm telling you the problem with the solvation of your problem. Why you're like thinking, okay, the government should do this. It's actually very hard to do.
Okay, yeah, I don't know. I agree it's hard to do. Like, see, dude, 100 years ago, building a rocket and taking it to Mars was hard to do, right?
Uh,
Thinking that there would be something like satellites was hard to think. No, this is the time
no,
when
no,
planes
hundred
weren't made.
100 years ago,
Planes were made in 1908.
wait,
Planes were made in 1905 and 1908. So people couldn't even think of rockets.
स्पुतनिक अब लॉन्च हुआ था so it was launched in 1957, so it's like 80 years.
Exactly. So what I'm saying is like planes invention
I'm talking
invented
about
here
satellites. The first satellite was 80 years.
was what?
The first satellite was launched 80 years ago.
I know, but I'm saying if you were say in 1900, like the year 1900, right? People wouldn't even believe that there would be something like planes because the first
So
plane was invented
I
in
see, see,
1906.
see. It's not about believing or actually no. I believe that system is perfect. Your system is perfect, but I don't know how to get there. The government don't know how to
Yeah,
get there,
that's the thing.
and
So
the
let's
government is
talk
working
about
on it. You and I are
let's
talking. It's just working on it. Like we are talking about that. We are working on it.
I know, but let's talk about it. Like, what do you think? Like, how do you think we can structure the economy or a way of
That's
collection of
okay.
data?
That's the point for the next episode. We will like meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.